Do what?
Well, we got to listen.
Say it again. What did you say?
Blah, blah, blah. Let's just... Hey, can we get this in the picture, Eddie?
Oh, we're...
Yeah,
you know what, Steve? Wait a minute now.
We want to put... You want to put... Well, you know...
We need to figure out because we angle towards you.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, buddy. Here, let me unplug that, bud.
No.
No, I don't need to plug in.
All right. Just...
Yeah, let's figure this out.
Put that in the corner. Yeah.
It would be great if that speaker stuck out just a little, or it might even. Let's see if it does. If it does, I'm gonna change the forward side. You know what? It would if I do this.
Oh.
Understand? It's kind of slide closer. Yeah. Oh, the suitcase with your briefcase.
Oh, well.
I got it.
Let's just do this, Eddie.
What one?
Go.
If you put some tissue right here.
No, put it on top of the thing. On top of the...
Do we reach here? You do it. I ain't that tall.
No.
Do it reach? Oh, shit. Hang on.
You unplug something.
It unplugged.
No.
Oh, it's hang on.
What, is the cord home?
Oh, you don't even have it.
Oh, damn thing. Oh. Oh. Why are you fucking wrestling with me?
Did you plug? What is that? Oh, that's
the fucking lava lamp. Oh.
Actually, I'm gonna move that close. Plug this in.
Can you see what the hell you're doing?
Yeah, here, I'm just holding it for a second.
Get your fucking flashlight.
Oh, yeah. Alright, now plug that back in.
Well, you take that.
I got it.
Uh-huh.
No, you can let go. It's good.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you got it plugged in now.
Well,
I'm not happy with that. If it's not going to come in good. Because I'm digging that, man.
oh.
Just look at you. This is so impromptu. Oh, it is coming in good. You need to slide it toward the front, though, a little bit.
All right.
Actually, you're an engineer by design, basically. We have enough clearance to where, you know what we need? I should have brought my notebook.
Oh, what?
I should have brought my notebook. I need something wide enough to sit on top of the lavlet so it sits up. You know what I'm saying? Like a book or something.
Well,
yeah, you know what I'm saying? That way it's level.
yeah, oh, wow.
Let me think of something wide enough. Hang on. Yeah, I don't want to be heavy.
Wow.
The magazine? Here it is.
Oh.
Oh, shit.